A rock and roll dance up on the outside for Yannick Gingras at the half. 55-2, 29-1. Down the backside, Sweet Lou the leader. A rock and roll dance on the outside second. 1 through 10, racing third. Escape the News fourth. Spatial Forces fifth. Sixth is Hurricane King Cole. Up the inside, Easy Noah at the 3/4 in 1, 21-4, 26-2, third panel. Sweet Lou, but a rock and roll dance sticks ahead in front with an 1/8 of a mile to go. Coming back on the inside, Sweet Lou, a rock and roll dance on the outside through the stretch. Sweet Lou by a 1.25 a rock and roll dance. Coming to the wire, it's all Sweet Lou, a rock and roll dance, fast closing, thinking out loud. Hurricane King Cole, 1:49, 1/5.